Hello, can I speak to Joe? Joe can't come to the phone. He's having a shower. Where's Joe? He's upstairs in his room. He's studying for his exams. I'm so angry because my computer isn't working. Why are you not doing your homework? I'm watching TV just now. I'll do it afterwards. Why are you still talking when I'm speaking? What are you doing? I'm getting a haircut. What are you cooking for dinner? I'm cooking fried fish and chips. What are you baking? I'm baking bread. What are you up to? I'm playing a new game on my games console. Look, there's a pig flying in the sky. Don't make too much noise. Jean's sleeping. She's been up all night working. Can you call me back later? We're having dinner at the moment. You're not listening to me when I'm speaking to you. That dress that you're wearing is amazing. Don't disturb your dog. He's speaking on the phone to your teacher. Don't forget to take your umbrella with you. It's raining outside. I think God needs to turn on the heating. It's getting colder and colder outside. Look, I'm losing weight. Look, the train's arriving. This is so relaxing. You're doing a fantastic job. Look at all the fish swimming under the water. Why are you shouting and screaming at me? Please be quiet. People are trying to study. Mummy, I'm not eating that. That looks disgusting. I'm having a really bad day. It's so annoying when your husband snores. Why are my parents always arguing? Cheating in your exams is not a good idea. Oh my God, someone is drowning. Eating junk food is bad for your health. Please help me. I'm marrying a crazy woman. Robbing banks is illegal and you shouldn't do it. I'm shivering. It's so cold in here. Shopping is the best therapy. I'm warning you, don't do that again. It's freezing outside. I have to say something to this man. He's constantly talking on the phone when I'm trying to watch the movie. I don't like salesmen. They're forever coming to my door and trying to sell me something. I have to do something about my husband's snoring. He's always snoring and I can't get to sleep. I hate my computer. It's always causing me problems. It's always freezing. My brother is so annoying. He's always playing the trumpet, but he can't play it properly. I don't know what to do about my friend. She's always singing in the car, and it's so irritating. The person on the other side of the phone is so annoying. He's continuously talking about things I don't understand. My mum is always doing this. It's really annoying. My friend is continuously doing this when I play computer games. It's really irritating. My mum is always telling me what to do. She's so annoying. Why are my children always arguing and fighting with each other? I need your help. My car won't start. It's forever breaking down. My mum is really annoying me. She's always playing loud music. I have to speak to my neighbours. They're continuously playing loud music. It's so annoying. I'm working in an office during the summer holidays. I'm studying for my exams. I'm sitting the exams in 3 weeks. I'm living in Paris at the moment. I'll be staying there for a while. I'm directing the next big blockbuster movie. I'm training to become a doctor at university. I'm saving up my money so that I can buy a new television. I'm saving up money to buy a new house. I'm reading a new book. It's very exciting. I'm teaching my son how to walk. I'm watching a new television series. It will take time to watch them all. My daughter is anorexic. She's not eating enough food. I'm preparing to sit my driving test for the 11th time. I'm learning how to speak French so that I can go and work in France. London is building a new stadium for the Olympics. We're decorating the house. It should be finished in a couple of weeks. I'm really enjoying my year out in Spain. I'm doing exercise because I need to lose weight. I'm shopping online for Christmas presents for the children. The economy is stagnating because we're importing too many products from around the world. Scotland is exporting more and more products around the world. I'm searching for the meaning of life. When you find it, tell me. We're painting our living room a different colour. I'm writing a new novel. Hopefully, it will be published in the future. The sun is shining in Scotland. This is a temporary action. My husband won't be here this weekend. He's spending the weekend with his brother playing golf. At the moment, I'm living with my parents till I've saved up enough money to move out. I'm teaching in a summer school for a few weeks. We're going to visit our grandparents and we're staying for the weekend. I'm not working at the moment, but I'll get another job soon. I'm having dinner at the moment. Can you call me back later? I'm taking a nap because I'm feeling really tired. I'm going to take a coffee break for 5 minutes. Please be quiet. People are studying in the library. John can't speak with you at the moment. He's having a shower. Don't be so noisy. Your dad's sleeping. I'm sending an email. I'll be finished in a second. We're moving house today, so everything is a bit chaotic. I'm waiting for the train. Hopefully it will be here soon. I'm taking the bus at the moment because my car is getting fixed. We're travelling around Europe for 3 weeks, but then we have to go back to work. They're not talking to each other. They've had another argument. I'm sleeping in another room because my bedroom is being decorated right now. This woman is getting older and older. This woman is getting younger and younger. The world is getting more and more polluted. I'm losing so much weight. It's getting colder and colder this winter. My son's getting bigger and bigger every day. The boy is growing taller every day. Life is great. I'm saving more and more with every passing day. Children are growing up far too quickly nowadays. My business profits are increasing every year. Life is getting better and better. I'm getting stronger and stronger. My mother is becoming more and more annoying. I'm getting healthier and healthier. My son's grades at school are improving. Your father is recovering very well after the accident. Your language skills are getting better and better. Earth is getting warmer and warmer, but not Scotland. The cost of food is increasing in the supermarkets because of inflation. This man is becoming fatter and fatter. I'm getting slimmer and slimmer. Society is becoming more technologically advanced. The children's behavior in class is getting worse and worse. House prices are increasing every year. What are you doing tonight? I'm visiting my grandmother in hospital tonight. What is he doing later? He's going to the dentist's later. He had to make an appointment. His teeth are in agony. What is she doing later? She's meeting her friends for a cup of coffee later. What are they doing at the weekend? They're traveling to Cuba at the weekend. They arranged to do it a few weeks ago. What are we doing next weekend? We're getting married next weekend. The date has been set. What are you doing tonight? I'm going to see my girlfriend tonight. I'm seeing my girlfriend tonight. I called her to say I would be coming around. What are you doing at the weekend? My sister and I are going to visit our grandparents at the weekend. What are you doing next month? I'm marrying the man of my dreams next month. What are you doing tomorrow afternoon? I'm meeting my new business partner tomorrow afternoon. What are you doing tonight? I'm meeting up with my friends to play cards at 7 o'clock. What are your plans for next Saturday? I'm playing a basketball match for my school basketball team next Saturday. We have a match with another team. What are you up to later? I'm playing golf with my wife later. What are you up to this evening? I'm playing pool with my friends this evening. What are you doing tomorrow? I'm going to a job interview tomorrow. The company phoned me yesterday to arrange a time. Who are you going to see tomorrow? I'm going to see the bank manager. We have an appointment to talk about a bank loan. What are you doing this weekend? I'm spending the weekend with my parents. What are you doing this evening? I'm helping my son with his homework this evening. What are you doing next week? I'm flying to Rome next week. I booked my flight last week. Why can't you play football tomorrow? I can't play football because I'm sitting my exams for school tomorrow. What are you doing at the start of the week? I'm teaching on Monday. What are you doing on Wednesday? I'm taking my daughter to school on Wednesday. When is the nurse coming to see you? I spoke to the nurse and she's coming to check my blood pressure at 4 o'clock today. When are the painters coming to decorate the house? The painters are coming to decorate the house tomorrow. I phoned them last night to confirm and they said yes. What are you doing tomorrow night? I'm going on a date tomorrow night. My friend asked me out. What are you doing tomorrow morning? I'm going jogging with my brother tomorrow morning.